Hello, by the end of this video, you'll have learned how to use string concatenation in Python. And trust me, it's easier than it sounds. So let's jump right into our first example. In our first example, we simply combine two separate words into one sentence. This shows that Python lets you glue strings together just by using the plus sign. It's a simple trick, but incredibly useful when you want to build messages dynamically. Moving on to the second example, here we combine text with a number. Since Python doesn't automatically mix numbers and strings, we convert the number to a string first. Once we do that, everything sticks together perfectly. This is one of the most common situations you'll face when building text in your programs. Now for the third example, we take a first name and a last name and merge them into one clean full name. This is a classic use case. Whenever you're working with user information, you'll need to combine text like this all the time. All right, next example. This time we use the plus equals operator to extend a string step by step. It's like building a sentence brick by brick, adding more words as we go. This is an easy way to keep expanding a message without rewriting the whole thing. Let's jump into the next example. Here we have a small list of fruits, and we pick each one by its position. Then we glue the fruit names together into a single nicely formatted sentence. Even without loops, we can still manually combine the pieces exactly the way we want. Moving forward, in the next example, we perform a small calculation and then convert the result into text so we can attach it to a sentence. Python won't mix numbers directly with strings, but once you turn them into text, everything blends smoothly. On to the next one. Here we combine four separate strings into a fun little phrase. This shows that string concatenation works no matter how many pieces you're joining, 2, 3, or even more. As long as you keep adding them together, Python will happily merge them. Let's keep going with the next example. This time we mix strings with a new line character. That special character tells Python to break the text into two lines. It's a simple way to format your output and make it look clean and readable. And finally, our last example. We directly join three words to form a friendly greeting. It's simple, perfect for showing how basic string concatenation works without any variables at all. Great job, you made it through all the examples. Let's continue learning Python together in the next video. There's so much more fun stuff ahead. See you there.